already over, man. Shit, when you count that 좀 열어. That's like 8 right there. Hello. About 30.
This is a camera right there, dude. I swear, man.
Hello, get in the car.
Yo, can you open me?
You want to play in the car? Look, I kick your ass.
Yeah.
Hell no, we don't see them.
Yeah. Just Heck yeah, we gonna play in the car.
I wonder if this sees us.
I want to get no freaking mosquito bite.
Yeah, clean your
Maybe
fucking
two.
seatbelt.
Is that the cold? On the light. Like this.
No, you can't put it on the
Yeah, you can't put on the light while driving.
No, everyone shut.
Lily, say it louder.
So free now.
Hey, Jeff,
Can I do a little good turn?
Jeff, kids up.
Yo, nigga, turn off the light.
No, that's
Wow, Brenda, you learn salsa. Go teach me something else.
Which way are we going out? This way? No, you can turn it off.
I don't want to hear her.
Hear me.
You can see us. You don't need to do that.
Oh.
It made you look pretty there.
Jeff, look cook with half her.
Is this
Yeah, it is.
Get it. Wait, there's 7-0. No, that's my boyfriend.
They never called her.
I'm a Kelly Savy. You know my boyfriend. Kelly Savy. I call him good. Hello, who's this? Wait, Saya? Oh, what are you doing?
Oh, you know what you said to me?
What?
Oh, I thought that was my ticket. I thought we were going to take it.
I didn't think a lot. I want to talk to you, but...
Sweet. Isn't the sourdough like on the dollar menu?
I miss you. That's good? I thought you were going to say what?
Really? You don't want to.
Dude, we're always eating junk food right after practice.
No, we're going to get fat.
Oh my
God. I'm sorry, but your diet is not working.
As long as we're on the freaking treadmill. Huh? Go now, nigga.
Had that,
Oh shit, man.
What do you guys want to order?